Meet the AEG 6000 series washing machines that reduce wear and tear by protecting against overwashing, load after load. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. Many eco programs save energy. The Eco Time Save option also saves time. Simply select both options for an energy-efficient wash that is as quick as possible. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Keeping clothes looking their best. Every wear, every wash. The AEG 6000 series washing machines.
Siemens presents Avantgarde. The new laundry care appliances offer an overall harmonic appearance, an outstanding design without compromises. Thanks to the beautifully crafted inclined control panel, the washing machine and the dryer are even more appealing and much more convenient to use. The new multi-touch display allows you to intuitively operate every feature with a touch of a finger. The brilliant design isn't all. With IDOS, the washing machine automatically determines the level of detergent for every washing cycle, for excellent results and minimum use of resources. Use My Time to adjust the duration of the program to your individual needs. And with My Favorite, you can memorize your preferred combination of program and option and select it again at any time. The Siemens Avantgarde dryer offers you the self-cleaning condenser, so that the condenser is cleaned automatically after every drying cycle. This way the performance and energy efficiency are kept constantly high for the entire lifetime of your appliances. It's the guarantee for perfect laundry care. The new Siemens Avantgarde laundry care appliances, not built to meet your expectations, but to exceed them.
Siemens, the future moving in.
Keep your laundry perfectly fresh with this eco-friendly washing machine from Miele, which cares for your clothes with its exceptional cleaning features. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 8 kg drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. It's been tested for the equivalent of 20 years' use too, so you can have complete confidence in this model's outstanding build quality. Miele's convenient cap dosing system has been formulated to give fabrics specialist care. The tailor-made detergent capsules are pre-measured for precise cleaning power and released into the drum at the perfect point in the wash. So, whether you're washing delicate silks or expensive outdoor wear, caring for your clothes is incredibly simple. The amazing Quick Power Wash cycle cleans your clothes to perfection in under an hour. It sprays a mixture of water and detergent into the spinning drum to penetrate your clothes quicker, rather than leaving them to soak at the bottom. Not only does this reduce the time it takes to clean your clothes, it also means it uses less water, making it incredibly economical. Now you can spend less time doing the laundry and still have fresh, clean clothes in your wardrobe. Bring the freshness back into your laundry day with this eco-friendly washing machine from Miele, which has all the cleaning features you need to care for your clothes.
Front loader odor. You know that smell when you open your funky front load washer? But at GE Appliances, we've engineered the first and only front load with an ultra-fresh vent system with odor block. Equipped with vents that help keep it dry and antimicrobial technology that protects against bacteria. Basically, funky to fresh, so you can
shut the front door. No one says that.
Another way we make good things for life.
No.
Introducing the AEG 7000 series washing machines. Effortlessly caring for your professional look by using steam at the end of the cycle to reduce creases and ironing. Pro Steam technology utilizes short, gentle steam programs to refresh creased clothes and safely remove odors for sharp results every time. Using the Plus Steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Impeccable results every time. The AEG 7000 series washing machines.